In this podcast, we're going to take you through how to do a free response question using the question that is up here in the red. In the red, we have a question that says, we have a man named Charlie who has a desire to sail solo around the world in a sailboat. And then what the question would ask is whether or not the theories provided, the drive reduction here in the green, or the arousal theory, can be useful in explaining Charlie's desire to sail around the world by himself in a small sailboat. So when you're doing a free response, even if the theory is not helpful to explain, you cannot just simply say, no, it's not helpful. You actually have to explain why it's not helpful. Okay? The other key thing is you have to directly connect it to the question and the character, so to speak, Charlie. You can't just speak abstractly about just general definitions. It has to be connected. The best way to do that is to actually use the example in your response. So as you see here, I'm talking about Charlie. Believe it or not, if I left that out, AP would not give you the points. Okay? The other thing is, let's start with definitions of those terms and a little brief explanation as well. So what we have is, in the blue, we have our definitions. Then in the orange, we have a little bit more of an explanation. And then finally, in the red, we have our direct application to the question. Okay? So again, this hopefully will be useful not just to show you how to write a free response question, but also to teach you more about the difference between the drive reduction theory and the arousal theory. So I'll keep this up for you guys to read. And again, this is a few more sentences than normal, but if you really count the sentences, it's not much.